In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva text spacing. If you're working on a presentation, social media post, business card, or any other design in Canva, bad text spacing can make the whole layout feel off. Sometimes letters look too crowded, sometimes they're too far apart, and sometimes the lines of text just don't sit well together. The good news is that Canva has built-in tools to fix this quickly, so you don't need to manually add spaces or break your text into separate boxes. First, open your Canva project and go into the design you want to edit. From your home dashboard, find the design in your recent projects and open it so it appears in the editor. Once you're inside the canvas, click on the text box that has the spacing issue. When it's selected, you'll see a highlighted border around it, which tells you Canva is ready for text formatting changes. Next, move your attention to the toolbar at the top of the screen. This is where Canva keeps most of its text controls. Look for the spacing option. It's usually shown with an icon that suggests line spacing or text distance controls. Click on it once to open the spacing panel. This is where you'll be able to make more precise adjustments instead of guessing or editing manually. Inside that panel, start with letter spacing. This controls the amount of space between each character. If your text looks cramped or difficult to read, slowly drag the letter spacing slider to the right. That gives each letter a bit more room and can make the text feel cleaner and more professional. If the letters look too spread out or your headline feels disconnected, move the slider slightly to the left until the text feels balanced again. Small changes usually make a big difference here, so adjust gradually. After that, look at line spacing. This controls the vertical space between lines of text. If your lines are too close together, they can feel cluttered and hard to read. If they're too far apart, the paragraph may look loose and awkward. Move the line spacing slider until the text feels comfortable and visually even. Right below that, you may also see anchor text box options like top, center, or bottom. These settings control how the text grows inside the box if you add more content later, which helps keep your layout consistent. Finally, do a quick alignment check by moving the text box slightly and using Canva's guidelines to help position it neatly on the page. When everything looks right, go to the top right corner, click Share, then choose Download. Pick PNG for digital use or PDF print if you're preparing something for printing, then click Download. And that's it. Your Canva text should now look much cleaner,